Hello people! Today I want to share with you my thoughts about one step in video making, especially for YouTubers with 0 subscribers or 100 subscribers, maybe less, that they are not commenting you and you have situation like, imagine you have an idea, you want to make a video, but you have some tips in your head from other bloggers on YouTube that said that they have some special tips how you can create great video, and it's like finding great idea about volume and something else. After watching the videos you are like, oh, I'm great, I will find this great idea and great topic and great tags. But after you have great idea, maybe any idea, but that's normal, and you are searching. It was in my case. Okay, you know that this tag is great, this tag is great, but you also watching competitors' videos in this topic, and each other video is decreasing your mental satisfaction of your idea and of your abilities, because when you only started you can't make videos like they did it, because they have like more time, they have more experience in this on their side, and you need to some time to grow like this, to know some things to do like this, and it's normal, I think. And after few videos, it's like 5, 8, 10 videos, you are thinking that, oh, maybe I should switch to another ideas, because you have like a list of ideas. I think it's better have it, but after all you are switching to another idea, and this process repeating, you are struggling with this inner issues to find your ideal idea, because if you are like me, you want to find ideal idea, and you are watching people, they have their ideal ideas, and it's like kind of pressure on you. But after your third, fourth idea, you are realizing that all of these ideas, it's like trash, you can't make any video of this. At the same time, your motivation decreasing, and you are not be able to do something good and deliver value, deliver your thoughts to audience and people that you have. In this case, you should never mind other videos, no matter that they have topics like you have, because you are another person with another thoughts, you deliver another information. If this information similar to their information, your way of delivering information can be different, your thoughts would be different and your video different. Because of this, you should think that you can do whatever you want, it's your channel, it's your video, and no matter that many videos we have here about this topic, no matter that they may be in some sort of cases they are better in editing, or maybe they have better interaction with with people or some sort of things like this, my recommendation is, if you have passion, motivation to do some sort of video, you should do it. And no matter that search volume is not so high, no matter that you are lonely in this internet space with your idea, no matter if you are not lonely and this idea everywhere, because I'm pretty sure that you will find some people who will watch your video and it will deliver value in their life. And I want to say about my case, I had a list of ideas that I should create and deliver to people, and then I researched, and this research killed my ideas, my productivity, my motivation. It's ruined my workflow, it ruined my video flow. It was terrible. You shouldn't compare yourself to other, because you can end up like I am, with a large list that I definitely won't in my heart throw away because of all researches that I did. But if you throw away these amazing ideas but you don't know what is bad idea, what is good idea for your type of audience, you are losing your opportunity to do something good, to do quality stuff. What do you think about this idea? About these feelings? Leave comments below. If you like it, subscribe. And you will see me in the next video.